Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. Sometimes we accidentally unsubscribe or change our minds, and getting back on a mailing list is easier than you might think. Let's get into it. Method 1. The direct link in Gmail, the easiest way. Often the quickest way is right inside the email itself. Here's what you do. Go to your primary tab in Gmail. Find an old email from the sender you want to resubscribe to. It's important that this is an email you received before you unsubscribed. Open that email and look at the top near the sender's name. You should see options like Reply or More, the three dots. Click Unsubscribe or Change Preferences. Even if you're already unsubscribed, this button often remains visible. If the sender allows easy resubscription, clicking this will usually take you to a Preferences page where you can simply check a box to resubscribe or confirm your email address again. Method 2. Through the sender's website, the reliable way. If that direct link isn't there or doesn't work, don't worry. The most reliable method is to go directly to the source. Visit the website of the company or sender you want to hear from again. Look for a newsletter, email updates, or subscribe section. This is usually in the website's footer. Enter your email address there and submit the form. You'll be added back to their mailing list. Visit the website of the company or sender you want to hear from again. Look for a newsletter, email updates, or subscribe section. This is usually in the website's footer. Enter your email address there and submit the form. You'll be added back to their mailing list. So, to recap, first, check for an unsubscribe preferences link in an old email. If that doesn't do the trick, just head directly to the sender's website and sign up again. It's really that simple. Thanks for tuning in. If this quick tip helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one. See you in the next video.